We are in Hangzhou right now, coming from Zhejiang, and that's our hotel, the Sofitel, which is just right beside the lake. And this is how the lake looks like. On the other side is the expensive Four Seasons Hotel. Oh, Mama, we're visiting a World Heritage Site here in Hangzhou. Ayan, oh, para may ebidensya, World Heritage. Oh, gusto mo ganyang kuha? Lit na ng mukha mo? Ganyan lang? Lit na ng mukha mo, ha? Okay, sige. Sige na. Okay, lit ang mukha mo, hindi makita. Okay, smile, okay. Ano, teka? Oh, mag-ano ka pa? Magme-makeup ka ba? O ano? Mag-shades. Okay. Oh, ready na? Okay, smile. Oh, yan. Talaga, ha? Ayaw mo tumingin sa camera. Oh, sige. Okay. Gusto niya nakatingin sa tagiliran lang. Iba naman talaga si Berna. Okay. Oh, isang nakatingin sa camera. Okay. All right. Smile. Okay. Oh, maganda nga naman ano kasi ano siya, may lake na, forested pa. Kaya magandang pasyalan to. Alam niyo sa importante, maghanap kayo ng mga 5-star hotel. Pag may 5-star hotel, sigurado maganda yung area. Oh, daming puno, oh. Kasi yung mga hotel, hindi naman magtatayo ng hotel yan kung walang pasyalan. Oh, ayun, oh, may boardwalk na, oh. O ba, meron palang cable, oh. Oy, sakit tayo niyan, ayoko maglakad. Oh, yan, piti bata, nag-i-enjoy, oh. Alam nyo talaga, the Chinese, no? Ayun, yun yung hinahanap ko. Yung bridge na yan, oh. Yan ang sikat na bridge, eh. Pag nanood ka ng mga, yung tinatawag na mga YouTube, tsaka TikTok, yan ang sikat na bridge. Yan, yung bridge na yan. Very famous yan. Ang ganda pala ng location ng hotel namin, ah. It's right in front of the West Lake. Oh, ganda. Pamuni-muni ka lang dyan, oh. At may Carabao dun, ah. Punan natin yung Carabao. Parang Carabao, pero hindi yata Carabao yan kasi Carabao sa Pilipinas lang, eh. Oh, itong dalawa, nag-i-enjoy sila, oh. Sinasabi ko, yung bridge na yan, very very famous yung bridge na yan. Kala mo ganyan lang yan, ha? Imagine a lake, a bridge in a lake. Malayo rito yung Burnham Park ng Baguio. Oo, parang Burnham Park ng Baguio, malayo. Di hamak, mas maganda naman tong ginawa ng China na to. Ha? Talaga, oh. Kaya kailangan talaga pupunta ka sa mga hindi sikat na lugar tulad ng eto, Guangzhou. Look at that, ha. I-close up natin, ha. Imagine yung backdrop. Nakapaligid sa you're surrounded by mountains. Yes. That's the ambience while walking, along the bridge. Yun, pwede rin palang mag-boating, Berna. Pwede rin tayong mag-boating around the lake. So if you're going to Hangzhou, you must enjoy the beauty of nature. Because here, if you look at the map on the Google, there's a lot of lakes and rivers. They don't have oceans except if you're in Shanghai. So this is the beauty of China. They develop whatever nature they have. They put a lot of work into it. Oh, di ba? Naka-jacket ka, oh. Palakad-lakad ka. Ngayon, kung mainit, hindi masarap maglakad rito. Alam mo, isa pag na-notice ko sa China, tuloy-tuloy ang paglinis nila. Malinis na, nagwawalis pa, kahit malinis na, tulad ng yung Chinese dyan, Hindi, makikita mo talaga how clean China is. Hindi na siya tulad ng dati that you see people spitting on the floors. Now, maybe you can see, but bihirang-bihira na yun. Yes, ano na, those are the old Chinese before na they spit anywhere, but now because of probably the education, they're becoming much better now. Okay, and when they see everything clean, you just don't spit anywhere. Oh, look at this two people here. Oh, they're just enjoying the scenery, the cool climate. Oh, ang ganda dito. And then I saw this on YouTube, and now I'm filming it. When you're walking on this pedestrian lane or pedestrian walk, you have a choice to either eat, ride the boat. I just don't know. Connected ba yung river dito, Berna?
Hindi.
Huh? It's not connected to the river, no? It's just a lake. Yeah. That's the beauty. If you look at the whole of China, there's so much mountains, so much lakes, and you can really enjoy it. This is so different from going to Hong Kong. Yes, Hong Kong is just too populated already. And it's very cheap to get there. Ayan, close up natin yung lake. Oh. Oh, that's how the lake looks like. Oh. And then you have here the expensive hotels that you can stay. Oh, ganda. Oh. Magkano kaya yan? 50. Oh, let's ride. Ha? Ayaw mo?
Doon tayo sa car.
Baka malunod pa tayo sa car. Yan. Laki-laking boat niya, no? Ayaw mo pa yan?
Hindi ko alam. Kailan dadating.
Hindi, kanya nga. Gamitin mo yung translator mo. Use your translator to communicate, Berna Baron.
Nakaupo lang tayo.
Ganun ba? Oh, ikaw. Hanggang gaano kahaba itong lalakarin natin dito? Ha? Maganda rin yung parang golf cart na kung may golf cart, nakikita mo yung view ng lake. Diba? Mas maganda yon. Maikutan natin. Kasi merong ano rito merong 4 seasons dito na gusto ko rin makita Ayan, oh.
Dapat meron.
Ganda talaga. It's so clean. At saka alam mo ginawa nila, itong walkway, dinikit nila sa lake, oh. Kanya talaga, you can really enjoy it. O sige, kakawain mo yan. O sige, kung hihinto. Pag guminto, kailangan may translator ka. O, ayan, kakaway. Huminto nga. Para. Ayaw. Puno na raw siya. Ito, nakaparada yung mga kotse. O, ayan, para ka mo, para. O, ayan. Okay. Sakay daw tayo. O, sa kabila. O, saan? O, yun, tinatanong na kami. Saan daw kami pupunta? Baka wala kaming ticket, palabasin kami ulit. Ganda nga naman ng view. O, ha? Galing. Oh, mabait yung driver. Dito raw ako sa harapan para makita ko mabuti yung lake, oh. Siyempre, dito ako sa tabi niya. Okay. Doble bayad ko nito. Kasi mabait itong driver ko sa gilid, oh. Sinisingil na si Berna. Buti, pwedeng magbayad through WeChat. O yan, oh. Enjoy sila mag posing, oh. Ayan yung mga nasa likod. Si Berna nasa likod rin, oh. Okay, nakasingil na siya. Pwede na kaming lumakad. Ayan. Hindi na kailangan mag seat belt. Oh, awan, say mo dyan. Oh, hindi kami naglalakad at nakatingin sa lake. Oh, wow. Maski na sa Burnham Park, wala to sa Baguio. Yung Burnham Park, walang ganito. Oh. Doon, nako. Madumi na yung lake sa Baguio. Ito, napakaganda. Oh, wow, look at this. This is amazing beauty of China. Oh. Tsaka mababait na yung mga tao rito sa China. At ano pa, ang security rito, nakailang punta na kami, ang daming tao. Walang kukuha ng cellphone mo, walang riding in tandem. Oh yes, walang riding in tandem na biglang nanakawang ka. Kailangan lang dito meron kang translator. Oh? Wow, look at this. Tapos may mga hotel dyan na mga high-end. Galing. Wow, imagine, buti na lang napadpad kami rito sa mga ganitong lugar, ano? Tapos bukas, nasa ano naman kami, another lake sa Wuxi. Yes, Wuxi ang pangalan. Oh, ano yan? Parang temple yan, ah. Oh, ang daming sakayan pala ng mga boats. Oh. Yes. Oh, dami naglalakad, oh. Siguro mga busog yan, ano? Mga busog. Tapos, ito na yung pinaka-exercise nila, oh. Oh, ganda ng music ng amin dito, oh. May music pa. Oh, dami naglilinis, oh. Oh, galing. Talagang, wow. This is China. Sana hindi nila mag-isip magkagera. Isipin mo, pag nagkagera, wasak lahat ang nakikita ko. Yes. Tingin ko hindi naman magkakagera. Isipin mo, sa ganda ng China, wawasakin mo dahil lang sa gera. Oh, ayan, oh, dami yung mga sa taas, oh, mga camera, binabantayan tayo ng China. Nagbabantay ng China kung anong mga kilos natin. Yung mga poste o panay camera, oh. Yes. Galing. Oh, nag-spit yung isa. Ito yung mamang sa kaliwa nag-spit, oh. Pero nag-spit naman siya dun sa sa mga plus. Ayan ang mga restaurants na pwede mo palang kainan. Oh, nako, magugustuhan ng mga apo ko to, si Dylan at saka si Evan. Meron kaya rito mga sa kaliwa? Ano? O nga, ano? Ganda yung kaliwa, ano, ha? Parang mga pagoda, Berna, no? Yan si Berna, oh. Gandang kaliwa, oh, may mga restaurants, pagoda. Uy, sarap naman maglakad. Gaano kaya kahaba ito? Gaano kahaba itong lakaran na to? Oh. Wow, tingnan mo naman, oh. Ang daming boats. Mga Pinoy hindi alam tong Hangzhou na to. Lahat ng may zoo puntahan nyo, hindi hindi animal zoo. Yung mga zoo, mga Hangzhou, Suzhou. Basta sa tingin ko lahat ng may zoo, basta yung ZHO yung dulo. Panay maganda kasi nga panay mga para daw. Okay, kumukuha ng paseros. Panay picture taking nila sa mga cellphone nila, oh. Galing. Yun ang advantage ng technology. May social media, i-share nila yan. Sipin mo, no? Ganda ng mga puno dito. Yes. Akit siya sa bridge. Oh, ito may restaurant sa gilid ko. Ganda ng mga bamboo trees niya, oh. Ito, makiyan. Tapos dyan may parang pond. Oh. Oh, anong animal yan? Pusa. May pusa lang. Yan, meron parang kulay green. Ang daming naglalakad talaga, oh. Lahat naka-jacket, oh. Wow, ganda. Sarap talaga yung pinupuntahan mo, yung first time mong pupuntahan, ano? At ma-appreciate mo. Hindi yung paulit-ulit, nasa Hong Kong ka na lang lagi. Oh, yun, naglilinis sila ng pond, no? Ang ganda naman ng mga puno dito. Wow! Galing ang ginawa nila. No? Sa Pilipinas, may bundok pero walang mga walkway sa Pilipinas. Bundok lang pero walang walkway. Hindi pwede mga senior citizen katulad ko ron. Oh, dito may enjoy mo yung mga puno. Oh, another restaurant, no? Daming restaurant nakapaligid, no? Sana makita ko dito yung ano, Four Seasons Hotel. Ah, banyo. Pwede banyo, lilinis, oh. Oh, talaga naman. Malayo na ang China to the rest of the world. Lamang na talaga sila. Maliban sa mga speed train, sa mga kanilang technology, makigaganda na rito ang kanilang tourism. Sinisira lang sa news na masamang tao sila, pero sa totoo lang mababait sila. Baka papalabas na to, ah. Tumitingin kung puno. Buti na nakasakay kami, ah. Sayang di lang kami makaintindi ng English. Pero mayroong nagsasalita sa likod, eh. May nagsasalita sa likod ng Chinese. Uy, so nice. Akala mo golf course, ano? Akala mo golf course, pero merong restaurant doon. Ang ganda naman, oh. Oh. Wow, ang daming puno. Yes, ganyan sila. Pag may bundok, forest, dinidevelop nila para yung mga tao nila may enjoy nila ang kanilang bayan. Okay? Hindi na sila lalabas ng China. Yun yung kalye sa labas. Another one, ayun. Ayun yung mga bridges. Marami palang bridges na ganun talaga. Hindi lang pala. Marami palang bridges na ganyan, no? Around the lake. Akala ko yun lang. Dami palang bridges, Berna, oh. Oh, yung mga bridges that they can walk around the lake, oh. Galing, ano? Ganda ng pagkakagawa, ano? Oh, yun, nagpo-posing siya, oh. Pang Instagram. Oh, ito yung mga restaurants, oh. Galing, galing, galing. Ang laki talaga. Super laki ng lake. Wow, this lake is so beautiful. At pinaikot ng mga restaurants, oh. Pag nagutom ka nga naman, daming restaurants. Oh, galing talaga. I salute the beauty of this hidden paradise of China. Oh, galing. Talagang ginasusan talaga. Hindi lang ito, ha, all around China ganito ginagawa nila. They really build nice pathways so you can enjoy the ambience of nature. Oh, diba? Paano sa inyo yan sa ganyan, oh? Galing, oh. May narrator na, may music pa. Oh. Another bridge, oh. Talagang ganda ng pagkaka-master plan, ano? Sarap. I wish I can bring my children here for them to appreciate what I see. Oh. Gusto mo ng drinks? Ayun, drinks na naman yun. Ito, pwede rin palang pumasok ang kotse rito. Yung sa kaliwa ko is already the main road. Ayun, oh, main road. Tapos it goes around the lake. Gaano kaya kahaba ito, no? Mahabang biyahe ito kung gano'n, kasi Mahaba yung lake eh. I mean to say the lake is big. Imagine that, huh? So forested. Yun mga naka-costume, Ang dami mga naka-costume doon, Ano kaya purpose nila, sila yung naka-costume? Doon, may malaking restaurant uli doon, sa kalye, yun yung pinaka-main road, Pinaikutan talaga yung lake, may mga ano pa doon, may mga statwa. Oy, galing. Hindi mo mauubos to ng isang araw para ikutan mo to lahat. Bakit sila nagbababaan dyan? Gugutom na ba sila? Ba't sila nagugutom? Berna? Isang ikot tayo, isang buong ikot tayo. Okay. Kasi may pagoda pala, kaya pala nagpupuntahan sila dito, may pagoda kasi. Tapos may parang waterfalls doon. Ayun yung sasabi, ayun ang pagoda sa taas. Uy, may pagoda pala. Ayun kitang-kita naman sa camera ko. Ito mga gutom na. Ang bait naman ito. Pwede pinapunta ko. Pwede rin makuha ng photo. Ang bait naman ng aming driver, Ang galing. Ang bait-bait naman niya. Sabi niya, gusto mo kunan ng photo? Syempre naman. Ang ganda kaya niya, i-close up natin. Ayun, ayun ang pagoda at sa ilalim, meron siyang waterfalls. Di ba? Okay. Ang bait naman niya, pinakunan pa ako ng photo. Saan niya mababait yung mga Chinese dito Thank you, look at that. That's inside the forest with the lake. Saan ka naman makakita ng ganyan? Wow, ang ganda-ganda. Sobrang ganda naman ng itong lake na ginawa nila rito. Kung may kotse ka, pwede palang mag-park dyan sa loob. Siyempre, baka gusto mo kumain. Ayun, mga restaurants, mga restaurants, pwede kang kumain, papark mo ng kotse mo dyan. May hotel din pala rito, Ayun, Zhejiangji Hotel, May hotel din pala rito. Galing naman. May lake ka na, may hotel ka pa. Pwede pala yun. Siyempre nga naman, mag-i-enjoy ka. Saan ka naman titira? Siyempre, sa mga hotel nila. May mga murang hotel, may mga mamahalin na hotel. Mga boats. Daming boats parang yung mga boats na yan pwedeng i-hire mo privately. Ito mga bigger, kanina mga smaller boats, ito mga bigger boats. Talaga naman, grabe. Ang dami palang negosyo dito, daming business. Only because of the lake. Tapos surrounding ka ng mountains. Meron pa siyang mga docking area, mga slip. Ngayon, pwede kaya matulog dyan sa mga boats na yan. Tingin ko pwede rin pero walang mga yate. Yun, isa malaking malaking boat lang, pero walang mga yate. Kasi unang-una pag yate masyado ng mahal. Pwede pala mag-dinner, Berna. You can have dinner. May mga naka-setup na mga table. Galing talaga ng ginawa nila. Ito, shopping na to. Shopping na yan, Berna. Yan ang sasabi ko, Berna. Shopping area na. Isipin mo, kumakain ka. Saan? Saan anong nasa right? Yung sa right. Ayun yung mga buildings sa right, Tama. Mamayang gabi may light show dyan. Ayun, nandun yung mga buildings, nandun sa dulo. Nandun yung mga buildings, So mamayang gabi, babalik kami rito for the light show. Yes. Dami talagang nag-i-enjoy ng lake. Sandali, Ito, there's a lake. another lake there on the left side. Pero mas maganda tong kabilaan pala yung mga lakes dito. Kaya yung geography ng China talaga. Inland eh, pero maraming lakes. Oh, yung bata, gutom. Ayun, yung mga buildings, oh. Dami palang buildings, oh. Diyan daw yung light show mamaya, oh. Yan ang light show mamaya. Makikita namin yung mga buildings na yan. Oh, wow. Kapal ng tao talaga, oh. Sa bagay, wala namang bayad pag naglakad ka rin, eh, oh. Kaya, uy, tamo niya, Berna, oh. Anong klase mga halaman yan sa likod mo, oh? Berna? Ano yung mga halaman yan, oh? Surrounded talaga ng ng bundok. Itong Hangzhou. Ganda ng nitong Hangzhou na to. Magaling kasi ng China, maraming pera, eh. Oh, sarap niya, no? Ito kaya yan? Candy o strawberry? Oh, okay. Ito yung bilihan ng ticket. Ayan, oh, Hangzhou Westlake Pleasure Boat. Ayun. Pleasure Boat ang tawag. Hangzhou Westlake Pleasure Boat. Daming business, oh. Oh, yan. Food na naman, oh. Sarap ng mga food niya, oh. Ganda ng mga puno dito, no? Ibang klase yung mga puno dito. May mga parang nakalabas na parang mga leaves. Oh, hindi ba leaves ang tawag dyan? So, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman ng pagkakagawa nito. Sobra. Kaliwat kanan, maganda. Ayun pa, oh. Galing. Kaliwat kanan, oh. Sobrang laki ng lake. So nice, so beautiful, and it's a very charming place to be holding hands with if you have a loved one. Yes, imagine you can actually exercise. Uy, ano yun, no? Parang ano yun, no? Parang dragon boat. So this is the most beautiful place I've seen so far in China. I've seen beautiful mountains. I've seen beautiful buildings. I've seen the high-speed trains. But this lake, in particular, is just so beautiful that the government of China is giving an opportunity for their local people to enjoy the scenery. So by putting some pleasure, and they could actually go around the lake, and if they can afford it, there are actually 5-star hotels all around. You have the expensive Four Seasons Hotel, you have the Intercon, you have the Grand Hyatt, our hotel, which is the Sofitel. Well, so many hotels you can actually choose from, and going around are pedestrian streets. You can go shopping, and they also have big malls with famous brands like Hermes, name it. It's all here. The highlight is actually the lake, which they call the West Lake. Well, we came home last night very, very tired, and I didn't know what to expect here in this place called Hangzhou. But I was looking at the map. I was telling my wife, this place must be nice because not only the rivers, they have lakes, so you can enjoy the water just by riding the boat, or you can have a cruise, and different kinds of ways to enjoy the water. You can have probably cocktails. You can have the whole boat, private boat for yourself, just for the family to enjoy. You know, the best part is that this place is actually surrounded by so many mountains. And one thing good with the mountains, as you can see on the backdrop, it's actually protecting Hangzhou. Yes. So tomorrow we will be in another place called Wuxi. So I'm almost positive that it's going to be almost the same. So on the right, you can actually see some of the boats. If you wish to rent them, I'm sure it is absolutely possible. We were not given a chance to do it, and we just decided to go by this shuttle, which cost us, I believe, 80 yuan. A little bit expensive, but it was a very long ride to go around the lake. I would say about 3 to 4 kilometers. Well, there was a wedding shoot there, if you notice, and if you observe the lake, okay, it's so clean that you could hardly see any trash. And the Chinese people have learned to take care of their environment while they enjoy the West Lake. So this is our driver, who was very nice, because every time I see something beautiful like a pagoda, he would ask me, would you like to take a photograph? Of course I said yes. So that was very kind of him. That's why I was saying, you know, most of the Chinese now are different. Probably they're more cultured, and the security here is just, I would say, almost 100%. You feel very secured. Yes, this lake is absolutely beautiful. You can enjoy it without the waves. Unlike if you're in the open sea, it can be very dangerous, because you know, the waves can get very high. And the government, what they did here is they did the roads very close to the lake itself. So they're so near that they can see the water. Unlike other lakes, where before you get there, number one is you have a problem on how to get yourself there, whether there's going to be public transport or you can go walking. But in this case, everything is centered in this West Lake. So like what I said, this West Lake is surrounded by 5-star hotel, malls, restaurant, street food, name it. Everybody makes a living here. Yes, and that's how rich Chinese. Oh, that's a KFC, the favorite of Berna. So we actually decided at first to take the boat. But once you're in the boat, you don't really get to see. You don't really get to see the whole lake, because you're in the water. But you know, it would be nice to be there, just floating in the water, just like that. But I would suggest, if you intend to come here, take the big shuttle, and what you do is you go around the lake, which will approximately give you about 45 minutes, so it's good enough and it's quite reasonable. And then after you pass all the things that you want to stop, you can actually remember. Next time you can tell your family, oh, I want to eat there, or I want to try the street food there. Everything will be possible. My video has taken so long that I had to keep on cutting it because it was a long ride. Look at this. Those are the foodie streets you can actually buy if you're very, very hungry. And one thing that you will appreciate is not only the lake, you are surrounded by very nice trees. And the streets, no, the trees are actually covering the road. That's giving it better ambience. So look at the mountains. And that's the backdrop. Imagine you have the water and you have the mountains. What else do you want? And you feel very, very safe. And unlike if you're in the open sea, you know, you need a very, very big boat, like I would say a cruise boat that will accommodate over 3,000 to 6,000 people. But here, even you're just in a small boat, it's going to be very, very safe. Okay, so I'm about to end this video. I hope one of these days you guys can visit Hangzhou. And if you like Hangzhou, you can go to Suzhou. You can also go to other places like Zhujiang. Many, many places. Whether you like the water or you like the mountains, you're going to appreciate China. All right, thank you for watching.